All right, so we are back, and this time we are going to be looking at the base piece, the piece that goes across the whole bottom that separates the two arms. So let's jump right in here. We are going to do something similar to what we've been doing in the past with making little notches for things. And let's start by putting some notches for things to start fitting together here. So we're putting a rectangle with a thickness here. And let's also dimension how far that is from the bottom. Let's make that a nice number. Let's make that, looks like it'd be good at 0.25, right? Make it look good, right? You're kind of eyeballing this a little bit. All right, and now we want to repeat this. I want to do a linear pattern, and I'm going fast, so feel free to pause this video. I know I'm going very fast here. And 3 sounds pretty good. I want 4. That sounds even better. So I'm changing that number to 4. And now look at that. There's my 4th one. It was off the screen there a second ago. And now I'm lining up. That looks pretty good there, right? I'm happy with that. I'll push enter or click over here. Off to the side, clicking there. Now I got that. All right, now let's extrude this. Bingo bango. I'm pretty happy with that shape. Yep, that's extruding everything I want. And I'm saying thickness is how far I want it to be extruded. Looking good. All right. Now, as we've also done in the past, I'm going to hide that for a second. Let's do another linear pattern here. I'm going to pattern this part in the direction of this line. And that should be the width. That is one of our variables we put in there already. All right, we are cruising. We got our 2 pieces. We got the start to a catapult. And I'm going to start a new sketch on this little inside surface right in there. And now I'm going to say use, as we've done in the past. And I'm going to click this outside line and click this outside line, and when I view that from the top, let's see what we're going to get here. Oop. Looks like one of my used pieces didn't show up. This bottom one, that one did, but this one did not. So let's click use again. There it is. Now it's showing up. All right. So let's hide these, and there are my 2 spots. This is similar to a project we've done in the past. Sketch could not be solved. Why did it not like that? Interesting. Well, it's there. Looks good to me, so we'll call it good. All right, we're going to extrude that in the direction of thickness. Good. And before we go too far, let's turn these other pieces on, make sure they're going in the right direction. Yeah, that's looking real good there, right? It's going to fill those caps. And we're going to make a new piece. And Boolean, our favorite Boolean, we are going to subtract. This is our tools, and our target is this piece, and we are going to say keep tools. Looking good. All right. There we go. We've now made the bottom piece. And that looks pretty good. I'll see you soon.